Have you ever wondered what it's really like to live like a parrot? Not just the mimicry or the colors, but their daily routine, emotions, relationships, even how they feel when they're lonely? Today, we're flying straight into the fascinating world of parrots, where every feather has a story, every sound has meaning, and their tiny hearts are full of love, intelligence, and mystery. Let's discover a life that's more than just pretty wings. Welcome to the secret lifestyle of parrots. Parrots are social creatures by nature. They prefer staying in groups, whether in the wild or in captivity. They are known for their ability to mimic human speech, but they're also emotionally intelligent and observant. They can be playful, curious, and even sensitive. Each parrot has its own personality, and they thrive in a social, active environment. A parrot's diet is both nutritious and colorful. They enjoy fruits, seeds, vegetables, nuts, and occasionally small insects, depending on the species. Their day usually starts at sunrise, with cheerful chirping and movement. They fly around, look for food, interact with others, and take rest breaks. Interestingly, some parrots sleep up to 12 hours a day, especially when they feel safe and secure. Parrots are surprisingly emotional birds. They can build strong bonds with their partners or humans, and often show signs of sadness or boredom if left alone for long periods. Some parrots even go into depression if not given attention or stimulation. They use both their voice and body language to express feelings, like fluffing up feathers when happy or silent withdrawal when stressed. Yes, parrots can feel love, attachment, and even jealousy. When kept as pets, parrots often become a true member of the family. They try to mimic human speech and enjoy being talked to. With consistent care and interaction, they can even understand your mood and respond to it. However, parrots need more than a cage and food. They need freedom to move, play, fly, and be mentally stimulated. A happy parrot is one that feels loved, safe, and engaged. So friends, as you can see, a parrot's lifestyle is full of emotion, routine, color, and energy. They're not just pets. They're emotional beings with intelligence and heart. If you ever choose to bring a parrot into your life, do it with love, care, and responsibility. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next one.